Alright guys, we're back. As promised, we are going to slap a screen protector on the new iPhone 13 Pro. Here's the screen protectors I picked up on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check these out. Hopefully they're good. Actually, I haven't even opened them yet, so we'll make sure they're good here real quick. Then I'm going to show you what you need to get these put on without the bubbles. Of course, this one does come with the little line up tray. Sometimes I use these, sometimes I don't. It's got all that. Instructions. Okay, and they kind of double layered this. That's not so bad. Okay, here we go. All right, so file that. We've got two of them. So we'll take this first one here. It gets stuck. All right, so we've got this sticker is indicating this is the back side, this is the front side. It's telling me to press and slide. Hold up now. Okay, no, this is the front, this is the back. This looked like it was holding on to the front, but it's not. So you're gonna peel this off and stick it on. Let's just kind of real quick see how this is gonna line up. It's going to have plenty of space around the edges. You can see, so very case friendly. This one would be considered very case friendly if you had a case that wrapped around the edges a little bit. Some of the thicker OtterBoxes and some of that style, the dual hybrid where you have rubber and hard on the back, they like to wrap around the screen just a little bit. This would be fine for that. Let me see how this fits on here, see if I like that or if I'm just gonna wing it. Let's see here. Oh, I got a case on. Let me take this case off. Okay, drop the case. This says it goes on the top, so they want you to set it on just like that and then peel the back off, stick it on, and then press is what they're saying to do here. I mean, that's okay. That should be fine. For lining it up purposes, that should be fine. If it's going to be pressed from top down, we're going to want to set it in top down and then press. You really only get one shot at these. So we'll go ahead and use it. But here's the catch. Here's the trick to doing this. There is a trick to doing it. Here's what you need. You need a can of air and a clean or new microfiber cloth to keep from getting the bubbles. Okay, that's what causes the bubbles, the little pieces of lint stuff. You can probably see it on my screen here. It's covered in dust, covered in lint. So here's one trick. I've done this for years. You take your can of air. You need to first spray off the area you're working with. Okay, make sure it's free of dust, because otherwise dust, as you start moving stuff, is just going to jump right back up and land on your screen. So we're going to take this, going to rub it down real good. If your screen, if you've been using it a little bit and you didn't do this right out of the box, there's going to be oil from your fingerprints. You're going to need to probably use rubbing alcohol, a alcohol wipe, a little rubbing alcohol to make sure there's no oil on there. Then we're going to make sure you get all the little dust off there. I can see it looking in the light, and you'll be able to as well. I'm even going to off-camera spray this red thing here. Make sure there's no dust on it. Okay, we're going to slap this on. Sometimes I like these, sometimes I don't. This one's okay. I'm gonna spray it again. I see one little piece of dust. You know what? Let's actually use the little cloth that they include, and there's a little squeegee thing that hopefully you won't need. But here's a little cloth. This one is brand new. Make sure that it doesn't cling to the dust here. Okay. Hit it again with the air. See, if you see the tiniest little speck of dust, you better get it, because otherwise, there. Okay. I'm also going to spray this. Double check one last time right before I slap this on. See, stuff's just flying through the air. Okay, peel the back off. Line it up, let the little thing do its thing here. Yeah, see, I don't really like these trays very much. I'm gonna have to pick that back up. And then yes, use this to press it out. Actually got a huge bubble there. And those like that are fine because you can just squeegee those out. But what you don't want is a piece of dust or lint trapped under there. Okay, so peel this off. And just go this way with it. Go this way with it. Yeah, it's my baby. Okay, we're gonna wipe it down. And look at that. If you can see that, it is 100% perfect. And that tray did okay. Actually did a pretty good job lining it up. If I weren't trying to look through the phone onto the camera, I probably would have been able to line it up easier using this. So this gets an approval from me. That did a pretty good job. And doing the canned air trick, make sure there's absolutely no dust. Using the little cloth that came with it, I was able to get it on there perfect. See if I can put that at an angle where you can see absolutely no bubbles, no dust trapped under the screen, none whatsoever. It's like it's not even on there. So slap my case back on. Now I've got full 360 protection. I ride like this here, daily drive like this, I should say, whatever. And some people might consider this risky. However, even with what I do, I'm very careful with my phone. I don't drop my phones anymore, and this works out perfect for me. Front protection, back protection, looks great together. It's not going to be extra bulky in my pocket. So that's it for the screen protector. I'm going to go put one on my wife's brand new gold phone at home. And hopefully this helped you guys out. Like I said, you can buy this at the dollar store, Walmart, I mean Dollar General, whatever store you've got. Typically you find these, if they have like a little office supply section, that's where you find these. Couple bucks. And then this came with it if you want to pick up this kit. Otherwise, any kit will work. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.